affected by mental illness can build better lives for themselves. This episode's partnerships have also made it possible to support Rotten Eagle's growing team of dedicated researchers, translators from all over the world who work really, really hard at shedding light on lesser-known cases. And as always, we would like to thank you guys, our listeners, for your continued grass. Maybe we can find something else. Like we'll just use our own heads. What? We can play rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, yeah, and the loser will crack open the watermelon with the head. The 7 friends, they're sitting down on a pink blanket next to the waterfall playing rock, paper, scissors, and in the middle of them is a watermelon. They forgot the knife to cut open the watermelon, so whoever loses the game of rock, paper, scissors, they have to use their head to bang open the watermelon. That's the punishment. Unhe lost. But of course, Unhe is not going to be the one cracking the watermelon open with her head. There is a video of Joe, Unhe's secret boyfriend, holding the watermelon down on the mat, while Sam, Unhe's husband, uses his head to try and crack open the watermelon. He's doing punishment in place of his wife because that's the kind of husband he is. He always put his wife first. Now, to give you context, if the final button is your choice to rush for the crack of watermelon, or visually, it's an average rubber band wrapped around a watermelon for it to start cracking. This is a full-size watermelon puncher. Even inside, it takes a few tries to get fully through, and I have to use both arms. I apply a lot of power and pressure with the knife. Imagine cracking it open with your head. Completely. Not even just creating a small crack and then using your hands to pull it apart. The punishment is you have to crack it fully in half.
Wouldn't it just make a mess?
Yep, it would just make a mess and complete to damage to the head. They were making Sam crack the whole thing in half using only the force of his forehead. In the video that I'm going to show you, I don't know if you can start it up, it's in the spot, but I think it's answered. In the video, Sam can be seen stopping after each crack with his head to the watermelon. He's using both hands to hold his head after he slams his head down on the watermelon. He's almost in this neutral position on the pink blanket. It doesn't feel like friends. It feels like vicious bullying. You can tell from the body language. It's just on your head because it hurts so much. His glasses are on the side, he's on the pink. There's an anal tradition.
2,000 years later.
So guys, nandito na ako. Ganun. May ganun pa. Nandito na ako. Yes. Ang pagod. Grabe. Alam niyo guys, minsan kasi hindi man masyado busy sa Nico. Pero pag nag-busy sa Nico, mahirap talaga. Kasi, for example, ang daming feeding. Diba? Eh, syempre, kailangan ano yung time mo. Eh, paano kung nag-code? Diba? Nag-code ako, be! So, ito yung code na na-experience ko na parehas. Yung una kong baby na nakawakan na chubby ay ano siya, premature. Talagang pinilit nang nabuhayin siya. Kumbaga, hindi buo yung paa, yung kamay. May kamay siya pero walang femur, ganyan. Puro ito lang yung buo, wala ito. Wala ito, paa, puro ito lang. Ngayon, yung isang bata naman, yung buo naman, kaso nakatagilid yung paa, hydrocephalus, ganun. Grabe guys. Talagang hindi mong gatagal ang buhay ng ganun. Kaya naku guys, mag-ingat kayo pag kayo nabubuntis. Kailangan may check-up kayo, vitamins, yung ano ng doktor. Naku guys, importante yun. Hindi yung pinasabi sa inyo ng doktor na kung ano-ano lang, gastos na hindi. Kasi paano kung merong pala kayong abnormalities? Paano kung genes nyo na yun, may anomaly, genetic eh. Paano kung genetic nyo na gano'n na talaga? Kaya kailangan maagapan niyo yun. Acid kidney body, wala kasi kawawa yung baby. Pero alam mo pa, lumalaban yung baby na yun. Ito na. Ito na yung package ko. So, hindi ko na ito open kasi sure, ayoko na mag-open ng package ito. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog ng mga daily news. Pero nagbablog ako ng reading vlog. So, magbablog ako minsan ng mga pag day off pa lang. Pero most for all the time, reading vlog na yung gagawin ko. Kasi, syempre, nasasawa na kayo. Diba? Lagi na
The next day.
Ready.
So them two are like the cutest right now.
Yeah. And then influencer Jay is very outgoing and goes, hey, is anyone good at sports? Like, does anyone want to partner with me? And Tian, immediately is like, I'll pick you. So influencer Jay and Tian are together. Now, mind you, they sat at the table together. So everybody is like, oh, Professor and PR Lily were at the same table. And then Tian and influencer Jay were at the same table. So like maybe the first game, we don't really know each other. Maybe everybody at the same table should just go for the people that were at the same table. That's the thought. This left 3 girls and 4 guys remaining with them. Now, there's no rule that you have to choose your original partner, but it just made sense. So Chen71, she's standing there and she's like, okay, well, maybe Jico is going to pick me, but instead, Jico partners with broadcaster Mimi.
Okay.
So Chen71 is like, oh,
Oh.
like I haven't even talked to another guy because I wasn't even at their table. And then finance bro Zhao, he looks really interested in Chen71. So he looks into the future. He's like thinking back and birds past but he's like, let me just lower my voice a minute ago and lower it. And he's about to say something and but Tian goes, oh, well you can join my group and we can be the 3 of us together. Oh, so now
The guy is giving up pools to girls.
yes, and now it's Tian, it's influencer Jay, and Chen71.
Wait, but the chance of you want to read?
Yeah, I mean, because it would be rude.
Right.
Because someone's gonna end up in a threesome, right? Or like a whatever. So then she was like, yeah, okay, fine. And so she joins, and you think that he's being nice, but it's not. It just feels, at the moment that it happened, it kind of felt player vibes because you should give other people the chance
Let them
to maybe
decide
prove,
first.
yeah.
I
And
guess
then-
there's one. Yeah,
Okay,
come
well,
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So guys, nandito na ako sa bahay. And time check is 11 p.m. So yeah, ang hirap ko sa tayo ngayon. Kasi pag sabatit nito mahirap talaga. Kaya nagbabas ako. Yun lang. Uy, pero mabilis lang ng pagbas. Walang dumadaan kasi na chip. So yeah, yun. Ang hirap ng way pag ganun. Pero paminsan naman mabilis lang. So yeah, bilis na ako and see you tomorrow.
the next day.
Den. This is kind of an oddly shaped space that we had to figure out what to do with. There's no windows in here, so it gets really dark. If you turn off all the lights, it's kind of like you're in one of them float tanks or something. It's nice for sleeping. You can sleep on these cushions over there. I've had many people say it's quite comfortable actually. Around the corner there's a TV on the wall, which I never even turn on, but sometimes my daughters look at it. And there's a lot of really groovy artwork and knickknacks in here. This cross beam here in the wall is really cool detail. I feel like I should have like a hookah in here or something, like a little, but then it would smell like that. That'd be awful. There's some really cool lamps over here that Colleen got. They make this amazing pattern, like this kind of watery, shimmery pattern. There's one there and one there. My younger daughter likes to have like secret space, so there's a little, I can't even barely get in here, but it's for her to come and she can like hide out in here. And it's really cool. This is her little lounge. It's very tranquil, private little space. He's got some really cool wallpaper. The second floor is for my daughters, basically. I have to be frank, I don't spend a lot of time here, period, in any part of it. I'm always on the road, you know, making art for the people. Yeah. And my daughter Marion, she likes cool colors like purple and blue and whatnot. So she got to dictate the colors in here. And then their room is, my other daughter got to dictate the colors in there, which are warmer. So this is the girls' room, and as you can see, it has a warmer color palette than the den. This beautiful kind of a sunflower type vibe. Really pretty light fixtures and a couple of mushrooms, because we're into mushrooms, not the medicinal kind, the other kind. And then these are the real cactuses. Like I said, I have a fake cactus downstairs. Cactusing was Colleen's suggestion, because she thought I would enjoy having some greenery, but something kind of low maintenance. I got a little patio, which is nice. Not today, because it's raining, but in the summertime, it's nice to go out there and hang out. And this wallpaper is beautiful. I really like this, and Colleen put that in. And a little smiley face rug, which is always a nice reminder to smile. Smile. Yeah.
Rexona Flash Ever. And take this will let you down. Whatever makes you sweat, Rexona Flex Sweat and Blow. It sounds great, fresh and dry all day. Rexona now.
Sumakit ang luwa dyan. Ang gamot mo, magaling mo dyan. Para ulit kayo sukan. Pagkakahirap, ipit at tusok in minutes. So, natin, relax na dyan. Musukan. Parang yun ang napagkatabi dito. Sa mga fresh na ta. Unang bigat talaga kasi ito. Walang halong tubig. Creamy, fresh na mia. Ganyan talaga ang puro. Tanawa, gamantik ka na. Parang ganang kabigat na. Unay, mini. Kapang-kata. Di ka na kusubong. Basta ka, mga fresh na ta.
Probably the room that was transformed the most from what it looked like.
Much later.
So, matagal na ako nagbabasa ng books. Nakwento ko na to sa YouTube ko. And, elementary pa lang, nagbabasa na ako ng books. Ang mga nabasa kong books talaga, nung elementary ako kasi may mga lumang books doon sa Laon. Doon kung saan ako nakatira, Laon Elementary School. May book library doon. Then, ako yung na-assign maglinis ng mga books doon. Kaya, doon ako nag-start magbasa ng book. way back when I was grade 4 student, guys. This is by professor namin, advisor namin, si Ma'am Manguera, shout out. Kasi, yung grade 4 kami, katabi ng room yung library ng school. Ako nagpupunas doon ng mga shelving. Kasi pag bata, may mga may naka-assign sa'yo na diyan ka, ganyan. So, ako na-assign sa library. Kaya doon ako nag-start magbasa ng book. Pero grade 1 pa lang, nagbabasa na ako ng book. Kasi sabi ko sa nanay ko, gusto ko, magaling ako magbasa ng English. So, nag-try, so hard ako magbasa ng book. Tapos, yung mother ko, bumibili siya ng mga book, ganyan. So, nakita ng nanay ko, bumibili siya ng book na volume 1 to 10 na The Bible Story. Yun ang unang book na binasa ko when I was elementary. I was just grade 2 or grade 3. Grade 3. That is 10 volume. Nasa kwarto ko pa yun, guys. Then, may encyclopedia pa kami na 22 volumes. So, yun, binabasa ko din siya. Tapos, meron pa kaming book na talaga na marami pa iba, guys. May mga book pa kami ganyan. Kasi bumibili talaga yung mother ko ng book. May medicine book pa nga na hindi na ibalik sa amin for rent. Nung ako'y nag high school, as in guys, kompleto ako ng mga books. Nag-order talaga ako doon sa kumari ng mother ko para ibili lang ako ng books na kahit second hand, pero ito yung author. At meron talaga akong books ng high school ako. Kompleto. At hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin siya. Kahit nung elementary ako, may books ako. From grade 5 up to high school. Then, nung college ako, kompleto rin ako sa books. Kasi bumili na ako ng sarili kong books sa Lucena. That time, doon ako nag-start talaga na magbasa ng books. Pero hindi man grabing pagbabasa. Hindi man masyado. Kasi busy rin sa pag-aaral. Nung ako'y nag-review for CPA board, pero hindi ako nakapasa noon. After graduating accountancy, hindi ako nakapasa sa CPA. Nagbabasa na ako ng Dan Brown books noon. So, my first book is about Dan Brown and Paulo Coelho. Yun na yung binabasa ko noon. Tapos, hindi ako nakapasa. Nung hindi ako nakapasa, nag-aral ulit ako ng pangalawang degree, which is the Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Nung ako nag-aaral ng nursing, yan, continue reading ko ng book para ma-refresh yung mind ko. Kasi, wala sa dormitory mga TVs, ganyan. Parang, sa tagal ko nang nakatira sa dormitory ng Madre, ang TV lang doon is, starting 8, 7. Noong time namin, wala pa mga Android phone noon. So, meron kaming phone na mga walang mga Android na nanonood ka ng video. Pero may mga YouTube na noon time, di ba? Tapos, ano pa ba? Nung ako, nag-collect na ako ng book. Pero pakuute-ute lang. Pupunta na ako sa book sale. Naghahanap ako ng book na mababasa ko. Kasi yun na yung pinakamura. Then sa National Bookstore, yan, meron na ako. Paute-ute na nang-reaction na ako ng books. Pero yun ay based sa aking baon. Yan. Tapos nung ako ay nursing na, nag-graduate na ako, yung marami na akong books. Na-collection ko na yung books ko. Hanggang sa nagtrabaho ako ng private duty nurse, may mga books ako na na-collection. Tapos, hanggang ngayon, nagbabasa ako ng books. Pero pautay-utay ngayon kasi mas busy ang work sa local government hospital. Kaya ang time ko lang ng reading is day off. So, yun. Kaya medyo mahaba yung reading ko. Pero actually, nabasa ko na pala to. Sige, familiar story. Pero nabasa ko na pala to. Nakita ko
The next day.
So guys, nandito na ako. My God, nandito na ako. Sobrang init. Grabe. Ako lalabas bukas.
The next day.
Babae sa boarding house dito sa may school. Tapos yung katulog. Kasi sa kwarto, nakita ko pa. Hindi sa loob ng kwarto. Tapos ko ng grades, guys. It's 2:43 a.m. Yes, 2:43 a.m. I'm done with it. So, this is a total of 130.
Actually, sabi ko siya, kasi yung ginag ko, ang kaso na siya ko bakit kasi. Pero ako guys, meron sa Google One, magkaroon na application one. Pero ano na response niya. Kaya dito sa key version guys. So, hindi ko tawag. Dito sa key version. Kaya para siyang iPhone. Starting guys, account mo guys. Parang na kasi may starting. So, yeah, see you. Guys.
Para makabas-bawas na. Kailangan natin mag-part-time. Di ba wala pa akong asawa? Eh ako ano na. Pagod na, diba? Yung ba sa trabaho, parang addict. Siyempre, may babayaran na ng mga bills. Ganyan. Pero wala naman ako masyado. Ang inaano ko kasi ako nagkaroon ng bills dahil dito sa aking unit. Ngayon, pag ako ay naging clinical instructor, makakatulong.
Alam mo tayo na. Kayo mga pamangkin. Anong gagawin?
Actually, ano lang yun, once a week lang. Kung baga, yung halimbawa, for example, 5 days, diba yun, di 1 hour I'll pay. So, gagawin ko na lang 1 day, 5 hours akin.
Asang swimming pool yun eh.
So, para pag-day off ko gano'n. Ayan guys. Kasi dati may nag-hire din sa akin na clinical instructor ako. Kasi may masters naman ako, hindi lang nursing. Pero pwede naman kumuha ng units ng masters of nursing eh. Diba? Wala akong ng units na yun kasi may masters naman na talaga ako. So, wala ako nito kasi syempre, guys, pagod na pagod ko sa trabaho, tapos lahat na nung napupunta sa yung bahay, wala kami nakakatikim ng masarap na pagkain, diba? Kailangan mo na minsan kumain ng masarap. Diba? Grabe. Kaya, ayan. Ano talaga mga clinical instructor talaga. Sabi kaya ko doon naman maging clinical. Sa Marinduque, inahire nga ako eh. Eh, nandito ko sa Manila eh. 2 school na nag-hire sa akin, pero yung itong school na to, open hiring sila for clinical instructor. Eh, nakita nila na matagal na yung aking experience sa nursing, sa pagiging registered nurse. 4 years now. 4 years and 3 months na ako may experience sa nurse. So, parang part-time na siya. Once a week lang.
Nakita kami. Tara na.
Aanuhin yun. Tatrabaho. Hanggang sa isang araw na oras.
Sa mga taga-Cebu dyan, this was Master Gala.
Kanya naman.
Nakabadala ng mag-aaral na badala ng hospital, kaya nagkakit ko niya naman.
Sigurahan natin. Sa YouTube dati, gumawa ko ng about sabi sa akin ng mga nagka-comment. Ma'am, pwede bang magturo?
Tingnan nyo na lang sa comment section. Kaya ito tingnan nyo. Kasi guys, nagmamadali kami sila.
Tingnan natin, galingan natin. Diba? Sana matanggal. Diba? Magkano kaya ang
Ayun mo, wala na yung mga bubong. So guys, nakikita nyo rin yung pinapalikod kong drone na nakikita nyo sa screen na yung kabuuan ng kastilyo na ito or reverse na
kailangan natin mag-part na kasi mahal ng bilihin.
So, yan. Meron tayong part in
Bala ko mag-doctorate sana, doctor of
kasi may
public health or philosophy.
yung ibaba na yun guys, saglitin lang natin. Hindi ko nakapunta.
Pero naisip niyo bakit ako nagabasa ng libro.
Yung dyan mo. Exploration of the place of an mga kaibigan, mga ka-master, mga regular viewers natin, sana kung mga gusto mong video
Kasi meron akong friend na usap kami na doctor of philosophy tayo na
Napamigay pa ko ng limpat na mga tips at saka mga foods.
Mag-ano
Siyempre,
ako muna,
mga
mag-atake muna ako ng
at meron tayong
license
magbibigay
bago
po
sa
sa
mga registered nurse. Nakapasa na ako.
Sa kasama swerte.
Pero pag-iisipan ko kayo.
At pag-iip sa TikTok, isa po kayo sa mga madrapo na ito. Iamos mo sa next video ang upload natin. Kaya, ang swerte ay sa video.
Pero actually, dati guys, nakareceive ako ng scholarship talaga na postgraduate sa UK, sa Ireland. Nag-apply ako doon. Kasi may nag-email sa akin, din nireplyan ko. Nag-test ako online. Nakareceive ako ng scholarship. Kaso, mahal pa din guys, kahit scholar na ako. Ano mo yun? Mahal pa din. Pag-scholar ka. Pero pwede ka naman mag-part-time librarian doon sa school mo. Kaya ka naman nagustuhan ko doon sa school nila. Ang laki ng library. Yung totoo yung scholarship ko na yan. Hindi yan dahil sa auntie ko or anything. Hindi. Ako nag-apply na. Yung scholarship envelope ko na yun, tinago pa nung company ko. Yung pinagtrabahuhan. Hindi naman ako na regular. Bakit pa nila tatago yun, diba? Diba guys? Tinago yung aking scholarship envelope na yan. Padala ng school sa Dublin.
I want to share how normal I went through same week during I needed cash fast. Honestly, I didn't have time for long lines. With no online learning, everything was simple, fast, and reliable. Then live, got approved, have my funds ready.
So, nakapasa ako dun sa exam sa online. Ang hirap na exam sa online ha, sa Dublin. Hindi ko lang tinanggap na pero pinadala na nila sa akin. Kaso, mahal pa rin talaga. Sabi ng natin, ano ko, magagastos ka pa. Head scholarship ka na, ganyan-ganyan. Head scholar ka na.
Late kasi natin na-mention na malapit lang yung pinaka-entrada nito sa mga
Diba?
kabahayan dito sa
Kasi,
ibaba.
alam mo naman ako, hindi naman kami mayaman.
inilagay,
Siguro
itinayo
kung mayaman ako,
wifi ng resort na ito sa
nireceive ko na yun. Siguro, may ano na ako,
Sa dating papasukin yung hindi natin napuntahan na underground na parang may
scholarship.
tubig sa ilalim. Grabe, ang ganda. Ano?
Although, yun yung pinakamababa. Kasi nga, ganun pa lang scholarship to.
No.
May bayad pa din.
Guys.
Pero kung gusto mo talaga, pwede ka magtrabaho sa library mo lang.
Ingat lang tayo sa mga ahas guys kasi nagkada. Yung iba na naman. Ito siya masyadong napapansin nung tayo na lang dito. Yung mga ganyan. Yung ahas. Nakadot ito.
Kasi sometimes
Dito yung
talaga
sinasabi
may mga tao na iba pang minsan, mayroon ka naman talino. Pero pag pre-nature ka, ginawa kang tanga,
So, Master G,
magaganon ka.
bumabalik pabalik-balik sa bakit sa ibang naging na pang kasos ko? Pagpapalit ako sa isang chat. Hindi, pag hindi ka sa nakatapos yung
Yung mabait kang tao, puno ka ng pangaralan sa magulang, hayaan mo lang yan, may karma din yan. Hinahayaan mo na lang yan. Nagantunin ka. So, ang tendency, parang tanga ka sa kanila. Hindi ako masyadong matouchador na tao.
Marami ako yung resort para sa laban. Ingat ka ha, ingat. May ilalim dito.
Bago na ako part-time.
Hindi guys, huwag tayo dito kasi
Professor.
Ako lang sa Pero, ano ko na sa Pinas?
Hindi, mala review. Mala review ang aking style ng teaching, guys.
Master G, saan mo located yan? Hindi mo sinasabi. Daw na ako. Diba? Dito may mga table. Yan. Ano? Ayun ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Oh. Diba? Mag-o-overnight pa tayo ng ganyan. May mga gumagamit dito ng ano mo nag-guess mga illegal na ano. Yung mga wala touch, yun, yung mga crystal na diba? May tip, diba? Maganda sa'yo. Kaya, pagbakin mo ang tambayan ng mga adik, ito pa. Ayan pa. Sabi ko sa'yo. Mas kung yung kasi ang namin
Hindi ko alam kung saan ako. Ako may masters na ako, pero kailangan makakuha ko ng master unit sa nursing. Pero sabi ng best friend ko sa St. Paul na,
tumingin ka na. Ay, meron pa ditong daan. Nagusan. Payag ka? Mag-drug test tayo.
So,
Pero may
kukunin ko MSN
kayo
or
magsusubscribe.
MAN.
Ha? Kasi
Pero kuha lang ako ng units. Uniting lang.
Nag-positive kami.
Kasi nga may masters na ako.
Yan pa lang kami lang.
Oo, pagka nag-positive kami, yan, guys, tataya ko yung channel ko. O yung sa kanya lang ha. Bakit natin ko positive?
Ito na yung pinatatakutan ng mga ginagawa.
Oo nga, ba't yung iba dyan ayaw magpa-test? Balita ako. Ay, may mga kadena. Hindi ko na kaya. Oo. Hindi natin. Papunta mo.
The next day.
So yeah guys, good evening. Good evening and good evening. It's about 7:53 p.m. guys. And may pasok pa ako mamaya 7:50. So yeah, and I'm currently reading The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, and this is slim book, the about online sale and online, pero in National Bookstore it is costing to 99 pesos. Yeah. And since the writing of the book is too small letters, kaya mabilis na siyang basahin actually. Pero pag bumili ka ng ganitong book na yun talagang natural yung yung font